Guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove or to simply manage the weather and news widget on your Windows 11 taskbar. Now guys, if you look to my lower left hand side of my taskbar, you see a weather widget, right? So you see that it appears, and if yours is working like this, I know at times it can get really annoying, right? And that's why in today's video I'm going to show you how to stop it from appearing automatically, and of course how to completely remove it. Now guys, if you find value in this video, I'd really appreciate if you give this video a like, and as well, if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Joe Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another video just like this one. So guys, I personally don't like how the widget automatically pop out when I override, right? So in order to stop this from just automatically appear, you want to override it for the last time so that it appears, and then click the gear in the uppermost right hand side. Now once you're here guys, you will see this option that says open widget board on hover. If it's on, toggle that off. And once you remove from here guys, then you want to hover over it again and you realize it's no longer popping out. Amazing, right? But what if you don't want to have it there completely, right? You can go ahead and you can simply right click anywhere on your taskbar. You can click on taskbar settings. And this option here that says widget, you want to go ahead and click on this and toggle it off. As you can see here, it is no longer there. Right, so very easy stuff guys. Now guys, I personally don't mind having it there to see the weather. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply go ahead and keep it on there so that it's there so that I can easily see the weather and the news. But again, I don't want to have it automatically appear. So of course, I will keep the widget turned off, that whenever I hover over it, it automatically appears. And that's all there is to it guys. Very easy and very simple. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Joe Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.